everyone? My name is Matthew Futch and I'm back with you for another video. Today we're opening up the video in the VIP lounge at SEMA. So this is a perfect area to kind of show you what's going on. Over here we have North Hall. Then we have Central Hall. And then South Hall way down there. And then it looks like this is it, but way down there there's a whole nother section. They call it the Baja section. There's a bunch of trucks, everything like that. But I figured I'd just give you guys a little show how absolutely crazy this is. So like I said, good boy Jay-Z's on stage. Let's see it.
Well, I guess Justin Pollock's here.
Like you just heard, that is Justin Pollock. JTP, he is a Formula Drift driver. You probably already know who he is, but next time he goes out, I'll make sure to show you. Alright, so next on the agenda of SEMA day number 2 is the startup of the Factory 5 build that was done here. Is actually doing it since SEMA day number 1. Here it is down there with Joey Logano going to be the first person to start it. We're looking at the car right now and let's listen to it start.
Factory 5, great group of guys. We're in Massachusetts. First time like this.
We are in the North Hall, I think we're in. We're about to go try to find Sound Digital to try to find a custom bagger from Cody McNew of Voodoo Bike Works. Found it. Supposedly there's 5 amplifiers on this bike. The drop switches. So Wet Sounds Performance. I was here last year when the Diesel Brothers were here, so that was pretty cool. Holy shit, that's sick. Yeah, let's go take a quick peek. now that I'm looking more for motorcycles, I'm seeing more. Maybe there's more than last year, I don't know, but it's awesome. Before now, I did not like the chin spoiler with the classic front fender, but it kind of works with this bike. Alright, so just like that, wrapping up day number 2 of SEMA. We're gonna go try to catch the bus. We don't even know if the bus is still here.
Hey, maybe we just need to go somewhere else.
Yeah, I guess so. Maybe it's like a sign that we're dumb and missed our bus. But if you want to see some good footage, the reason why we stayed, not for me to do my shenanigans, it was to film for his page. So I don't know if I've ever explained this to you before, and if you don't want to hear this, just start skipping ahead in the video. This is my dad.
Don't skip ahead.
Well, don't skip ahead, I guess. So this is my dad. This is Earl Allen Futch. He is the owner of Earls Garage. Search him up on Facebook. You will be not disappointed.
Instagram too.
Follow him on Instagram. There was a minute video put out last year.
2-minute video.
2 minutes.
Don't cut me short.
Oh, I'm sorry. So if you have 2 minutes to spare, go to Earls Garage on the Facebook. You won't be disappointed. You'll be able to see a 2-minute video of the shop, what they're all about. And it looks like, oh, this is some bad echo. Oh, doors are locked. Oh, he wants us to come out.
It says emergency exit.
Oh, can we let him in? All right, I didn't do this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, yep, good stuff. Yep. All right, have fun. I didn't let you in. I don't think I was supposed to let him in. All right, so if you don't have Facebook, or you don't have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or Instagram, we're getting kind of dark. What do they need to go follow?
Go to www.earlsdoallgarage.com.
So it's EARLDOALLGARAGE. I'll put that link somewhere, maybe in the video to help them out. So if you don't have Facebook or Instagram, because you're not in the 21st century, we'll link them somewhere else. Now we gotta try to find our bus. So I think this is where I'm gonna wrap up day number 2 of SEMA.
Day number 2 down.
If I don't make a day number 3 video, it's because we didn't find our bus and we're still lost. So thank you very much for sticking all the way through this video. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. We're growing and growing and growing. Bye. And so yeah, thank you for staying all the way through the video. I'll see you for day number 3 of SEMA. Bye. Oh yeah, a little update. There will be a bus.
Hey.
So we'll be safe.
We might be the only ones on the bus, but they got us a bus.
We got the bus.